Starlight TV, I'm gonna give you Drunk by Morning. I got new chords that I'm using for it. I think it would sound better, and just like this, share this video, subscribe to my channel, and quit smoking and shit. Alright. I'm just a broken man that never found his way. You'll find me in the darkest parts and the nothing that remains. How can you call me heartless when you never felt my pain? In the eye of the storm I can hear the thunder, I can feel the pouring rain. And what have I become if I throw my life away? There's days I don't see tomorrow, can't remember yesterday. And heaven seems so far away when you fly with broken wings. Can't stand the sight of my own reflection of what I said I'd never be. And I've been drinking all night to be drunk by the morning. Sitting alone in this bar, the only place that feels like home. Been drinking all night to be drunk by the morning. I don't know myself no more, this life has made me go. 'Cause I've been drinking all night to be drunk by the morning. Sitting alone in this bar, the only place that feels like home. I've been drinking all night to be drunk by the morning. I don't know myself no more, this life has made me go. It's a little sneak peek. Once I'm finished with it, I'm gonna give you the rest of it. I'm gonna give you the full song. But yeah, like this video, share it, subscribe to my channel. Rockstar Live. I'm out this bitch.